Hi everybody, welcome to the channel, welcome to the vlog. I'm so excited today to make this video. As you can tell from the title, I got my 2015 F56 Mini Cooper S to have rear fog lights. It's taken me about 9 months to try and figure it out, but we're going to go over it today. Firstly, I'd like to tell Andrewc89 from M2 beamerpost.com. Thank you very much. Your code that you put for the M2 was very close to what I needed to make this work. First thing you're going to need is, well, let's switch the camera on. There we go. Okay, what you're going to need is a European version of the light control module. As you can see, this one doesn't have a rear fog light. It cannot be adjusted. The new one does. So you'll need a new one of these. I got mine off of eBay for about $80. Then secondly, you're going to need Beamer Code app, and you'll need OBD2 adapter. And once you have those, then you're all set to code. Let's get to it. So as you can see, 2014 F54, 55, 56, 57, and 60 are compatible with this app. Okay, once it reads the ECUs, this will only take a couple minutes. Alright, once you get to the regular menu, you have these options. These are all your ECUs. We want to go into the body. It's going to take a couple minutes for it to pull all the information up, so I will see you in a second. Alright, and once we get into the body's ECU, there's a bunch of light stuff and whatnot, but we don't want to be in there. We want to be in expert mode. As you can see, it's very it's one of those things. They don't want you to do this unless you know what you're doing. As long as you do exactly what is, or find the code exactly how it's supposed to be, you won't have any problem with this. So the first one that we want to go up to, and it's for the F56, there's four lines that we need to adjust. If you're doing a countryman or a clubman that maybe only has one rear fog light, you only have three. But first we need to go into LCE master. So down here, where'd it go? Okay, LCE master. Click on that, and then you need to go to NSL underscore verbote, or whatever the hell it says. The actual last part of that is German for install, and then you need to put it on verbote, which I already have it set. Obviously I've already done this, so that's the one it's supposed to be on. So once you've done that, then you get out of the master, and what we need to do is go to LCE lamp map 3, and we need to go to it's a very odd name, begins with an N for the mapping, and the N word that is in here is actually German for rear fog light. Okay, that's it right there, and whatever the heck that word is. And we want to go to the _L _output, and you want to put it on NSL _L. That is the left light, and then you have to come down a little bit further and go to the R output, and do the same thing with that one, NSL _R, and then go back out of that, and then we have to go to LCE config, which is right here, and again, make sure that you're putting in it exactly. I'm putting it on top of the screen so you can see exactly where I'm going to, but make sure you put it in exactly how it is, or else you could make your lights not work at all and have to go back to the dealership and get the car reflashed. Okay, LCE _bin or bill _lin _var, and then you want to have it at the number 10 here, the BEL _FLC _NSW _NSL. Press OK. You go back out of that right hand corner, and it'll go through the coding. Preparing code, writing the code, finishing the code, resetting the ECU. And then it clears the messages that you get on your screen. And then you're good to go. Turn your car on, make sure your headlights are on or on auto, and you have rear fog lights. And that's pretty much it. That's how you do that. And that's all you need to do to have rear fog lights. I hope you enjoyed this video, and just so you can see, this is what it looks like when it's done. Have a good day.